Welcome back to the SEO course. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about white hat SEO versus black hat SEO. These are two completely different ways to improve your website ranking on search engines. One method is safe and long-term, and the other is risky and short-term. So let's understand both in a simple way. What is white hat SEO? White hat SEO means using ethical and approved techniques to improve your website ranking. In simple words, you follow the rules set by search engines and focus on helping users. White hat SEO includes things like creating high-quality content, using proper keywords, improving website speed, building natural backlinks, and providing a good user experience. This approach may take time, but it builds long-term growth and trust. Now let's talk about black hat SEO. Black hat SEO means using unfair or manipulative techniques to trick search engines. The goal here is simple: to get fast rankings no matter what. Some common black hat techniques are keyword stuffing, hidden text, spammy backlinks, cloaking duplicate content. These methods may give quick results, but they are very risky. Why black hat SEO is dangerous? Search engines like Google are constantly improving their algorithms. They are designed to detect spammy and manipulative techniques. If your website uses black hat SEO, it can face serious penalties. Your rankings may drop suddenly, or your website may even be removed from search results. That means all your effort can be lost overnight. Let's understand the difference in a simple way. White hat SEO focuses on users. Black hat SEO focuses on tricking the system. White hat gives slow but stable growth. Black hat gives fast but risky results. White hat builds long-term success. Black hat often leads to penalties and failure. Which one should you choose? If you are serious about SEO, the answer is very simple. Always choose white hat SEO. Because SEO is not a short-term game. It is a long-term strategy that requires patience, consistency, and focus on quality. Websites that follow white hat practices build trust with both users and search engines. And that is what leads to real and sustainable growth. So remember this simple rule. Don't try to trick search engines. Focus on helping users. In the next lesson, we will start one of the most important topics in SEO: keyword research. You will learn how to find the exact keywords that people are searching for. So I'll see you in the next lesson.